want to eat that in the kitchen, please?
Yep.
I'll move the extra.
And here comes the beef. When he hears bad.
Gotta shove that Auntie Alleh hair all over the place.
He's starting to hurt my shoulders. Stop.
Frenchie is becoming one with Auntie Alleh.
We are one.
He threw it.
Ah, he's like, no, come back.
And watch, when you do pull away, he's gonna scream bloody murder.
I know he is.
If he doesn't try
Look,
to
he's
after that.
shoving all of his hair, all of your hair underneath his wings.
Isn't it not in the back?
He was adding insulation.
It was only gonna be free. Dude, you don't give me my free shit. Oh, my free stuff.
Someone and his hair.
Damn it. I don't care. He said he was gonna give me an icy for free and you never did.
Oh.
He forgot. I don't care.
Wonder if I can get close enough to show all the hair that he's got wrapped in him.
It's only when he's nesting.
Look at that, look at that. You can see your little hairs all around his neck and underneath his wing.
Yeah. That's cute.
But you gave me a mirror.
Zippy! Exactly.